Are your chats messy inside Dola AI? Yeah. It's easy to lose track when there are too many conversations. In this video, I'll show you how to organize your chats easily so everything stays clean, searchable, and stress-free. First, rename your important chats. Open any conversation, find the chat title or menu, and change it to something clear. For example, work emails, YouTube script ideas, or study notes, history. Clear names make finding chats super quick. Next, create a simple naming system. Add a prefix like work for office tasks, study for learning or research, content for writing or videos, personal for everyday chats. Example, work, email, templates, study, math notes, content, blog ideas. This helps you instantly recognize chats by category, clean up clutter, delete test chats, one-off questions, or empty conversations. Keeping only useful chats makes your workspace faster and easier to navigate. If Dola AI supports pinning or favorites, use it for ongoing projects, important notes, or frequently used prompts. Pinned chats stay at the top for instant access. Spend a couple of minutes every week to rename new chats, delete unnecessary ones, and group topics. This habit prevents clutter from piling up, and that's it. Rename, categorize, delete, pin, and maintain weekly. With these steps, your Dola AI chats stay clean, organized, and stress-free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Dola AI tips.